show you what it looks like. My view. It is little sleeping pad here. Little big Agnes, Fly Creek, 2-person tent. Little campground here. It's not really the best ideal spot for camping, but down there where the bulls are bugling and hiding and then fighting over there, that's where there's a flat spot that would be the perfect ideal for camping. But I just don't want to, sleep there coming at nighttime and scare them off in the morning. So I'm gonna stay a little bit farther over here, and in the morning or at least nighttime I can hear them bugle over there, and then just kind of grab my bow and my backpack and just go after them. Hopefully they can come this way. I can just shoot them right there close by to the trail. That way I don't have to chase them all the way down the canyon down there. As you can see, all the way down there. It's pretty nice open country here, and I could probably shoot about 30, 40 yards max for me. I'm not gonna take that much risk and that chance. I don't want to chase them all the way down the canyon. Trust me, nobody wants to pack an elk all the way down the canyon by the creek. So it is. The sun's setting. Nice now. Everything's good and great. Pretty soon here the bulls be building the heads off. But stay tuned, guys. I'm confident this is gonna be a good year. This is gonna be a good year. Bulls are bugling already, screaming their heads off. I just gotta put one arrow in one of the bulls. All right, looks decent. It's close. I'm pretty confident this is what's gonna happen to a bull in the next few days here. This is what's happening right now. I'm all by myself. I'm all alone out here in the woods. Nobody's with me. I'm just right here, hunting hard, chasing elk all alone. So it's all right. It's not too bad. I mean, I wish I could have hit the bullseye, but if it doesn't hit it, it's okay. This is what it looks like. If the bull comes in, this is a good shot. It'll do the job for me, and I'm happy with it. But I do this all the time, practice in the woods. Even though there's no elk, I like to make sure my forms are right, make sure my, everything's connected right. That when the bull comes, I don't forget about everything. And so that's one tip for you guys. Bring your targets out here to practice. You can go for days and weeks. Maybe you not even get a chance to shoot a bull. So you want to just keep practicing every day, and when the moment comes, it makes it count. Make it count. But chasing a big monster bull over here. It's down the canyon there. This is the first time they opened the road for this year, so we're excited. The bull started bugling by himself when we got here, so we're gonna get close to it. Hopefully we can come and get the boys together. Yeah. Got him. Got him.
Down? What? How big?
Alright guys, so Charles the caller had the bow here. We've been going back and forth trying to find this bow. Finally, Charles called and the bow came in and started raking a tree here for like about good 20 seconds. And he finally curve around to see Charles, but he was going to win him, so he came around towards me and a 15-yard shot. Perfectly right on double run. He ran about 20 yards and he was still here, right here. Laps right there. That was easy.
You know what I mean?
Woo! Josh, first time calling an elk.
Yeah. Yeah. You can see it, man. Popping up, huh? I heard a crash, but I heard like something hit somebody, but I wasn't sure if he hit him or not. Oh yeah, he's pretty wide, dude. He's like 6 by 7.
6 by 7 gets stuck here, so. Woo, double down, baby. Didn't go too far.
Yeah.
Easiest pack ever.
Right there, man. Look at this. Oh man. Okay, I told you we had to bring it once tonight, man. Cow call, man. He wants a cow, dude.
Alright guys, so here's what happened. This evening, you know, they just finally opened one of the roads that were close to my hunting spots. I got out here. First things first, we heard this bugle, this herbo bugle. I mean, out of nowhere, it just started by bugling by himself. We tried to chase the bull, but it took all his cows off and we didn't get a chance to. We were about 100 yards away from it. We're gonna give it an opportunity. But it is what happened here. We got here this afternoon, and the second bull we saw, when we were trying to find Loki, we were trying to find each other. We were working each other back and forth. But the truth of the matter is, I sealed the deal today. My Idaho tag. It's supposed to be my last day. It always happens on the last day. His blood trail there. The bull came over there. So I couldn't get a camera. It came happened so fast. The bull came over here. I took a 15-yard shot. It ran about 25 yards. It dropped like, you know, like a rock. It just dropped like a rock. And, you know, we fell down here, but we want to take some good photos, so we dragged it extra 30 yards down there. Let me see what happens. Let me show you what we did to it. Now here we are. Child's already down there. Just setting up the bowl so we can take pictures. But we're just gonna gut it out and we'll go get the rest of the guys that are at camp to come help us pack it out. This is gonna be the easiest pack ever. About 150 yards from the road that we can get all straight to back to the truck. It's incredible how it is. Look at that incredible bull right there. 7 by 8, I think. Yeah.
Oh, right here, man.
Yeah, he's first time calling elk right here. We've been trying to get him to call elk for a long time. He finally did. I told him just do the cow calls and, you know, do whatever you can. But it is big bull right from the back. Look at that. If we would have walked away like that, I would have been disappointed. I'm a super happy man right now. It's a big monster bull. I'm happy and satisfied with it. I've been chasing bulls for 10 days. And I never saw a bull come close to me. And I was wondering why. And I guess I just needed an extra collar. Cha. Cha. But the bull came in easily. I mean, we were going back and forth, and he was just trying to find us. We were trying to find him because we couldn't locate where he was. But he is here right now, you know, and he came all the way to where we were set up, and he came in and started rubbing trees over there, and I waited for him to give me an open shot, and then he came presented me with a broadside shot in 15 yards, and boom, there he goes, you know. Whew, I'm blessed, and I have an opportunity to be here. 2015 Idaho bull. This is amazing. Let me show you what's like. I'm gonna take my backpack off here, and then we'll go from there. What? 360. I know I only have 2 arrows left, but because I've been shooting grouse with it, I lost one in the mountains chasing elk. That's what it is. But here it is, guys. My 2015 bull, Idaho bull. This is incredible right here. I'm gonna cut all these trees up and make it look good for you guys to take, take pictures. It'd be awesome. This is one of those dreams come true, once in a lifetime bow. It's not my biggest bow yet, but it's one of the nicest bows too. So I love it how it has a kicker right here. This is great. So follow me on 4 or 6 bones right here, guys. More bones to come and more elk to pictures and videos for you guys to see at. Look at. This is incredible right here. This is the good view here at the top. You can't ask for any better than that. I always wanted to get a 7x7 or 7x8, something bigger than 6x6, and here it is. We didn't get into 340 bull, 350 bulls that we were chasing after, but this is decent enough. The mass is okay, everything's great. And we're gonna take some pictures right now for you guys to look at. Alright guys, we're done. We got in the elk. We're packing up. Big herd ball right here, man. Big herd ball. Off the truck about 150 yards. Easy pack. There it is. Hello. Hey, that's the one thing I just about yeah, baby. It's got a 15 bowl monster right here. 7x7. That's what it's all about. Oh, what's your... You want a big one? You want a big one? You gotta work hard, hike hard. We usually put in a backpack and carry, but you think